Hello, 7th grade mathematicians. This is Sydney Neves, and I am going to talk you through this reasoning about context with tape diagrams, which is 7.6.2, our Desmos activity, and this is the teacher response to student work. On this slide, you can see that the students wrote about what they noticed. And they're talking about the tape diagram showing an equation. This group correctly identified that this is the lie, and then here they started to explain their thinking, and really they need to use complete sentences and talk about why is this the lie when you are looking at this model. This slide is a matching card slide, and so do your best to match the cards. Sometimes in Desmos, these don't actually show you truly what is correct for the greens and the reds, but I am looking at these myself and determining whether you know which cards go which with the other cards. On this slide, you want to read the problem and look at the model, and then show the value of y, and then also show your reasoning using the sketch tool. So where is it that in the problem we're talking about y plus 2, how many groups of y plus 2 are, where in the problem are we talking about 30, what does that represent? And go ahead and label the bar model. Again, read the problem and label the bar model. Compare and contrast. Each of these sections shows a variable or a number, which also could be called expressions. Each of these are expressions. The whole thing together with the equals 50 would be the equation. So go ahead and just fill in your comparison and your contrasting of this bar model to the previous ones. So read the problem, label the bar model, write a response. Read this problem and then write about what you notice. What's one piece of information that you know you'll use when you're going to model this with a tape diagram. Read the problem, create your own sketch or your own tape diagram. Make sure that you include labels, and then write about what you did. You can see that this group read the problem, drew their bar model, and then they worked on solving the problem. A quick tip is, are they asking you for the total here, or are they asking you to determine what each of these little sections represents? Here you're being asked to write your own story that matches this tape diagram. So what does the 76 represent? That is the total. We have 4 groups of x plus 9. And what problem could you create that would go with the situation that is shown in this bar model? You can see an example of what one group decided to do. Remember, for any of these Desmos activities where you worked with a partner, you can communicate with that person, and it looks like you can go in and you can actually edit your response on some of these pages. I also have played with, you can erase things on these pages and then just send me an email letting me know that I should go in and recheck your work. If you are working with a partner, you can both be looking at the activity at the same time and communicating with each other using social media or just calling each other or email, whatever you want to do. And then again, just remember to email me to let me know that I should go back in and check your work.